Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the Rashi and Nakshatra Sangata Chakar. You see, tomorrow is 16th May, and there is Veda between Mars and Saturn in the Rashi Sangata Chakar, in the Nakshatra Sangata Chakar, and there is degree aspect of Mars on Saturn. So this is the highest point. So as I had predicted that after the 9th of May 2021, the number of cases, coronavirus cases per day in India will reduce. And the latest news is that the number of cases are yesterday, as per the yesterday figure, is 3,27,000. No, the maximum number of cases were 4,12,000. So whatever was predicted is coming true, and in the coming days, as I predicted, that since Rahu is changing motion, in normal motion of Rahu is retrograde, but he will become stationary and direct. So in taking the worst scenario, in that time there could be some spikes, but the number of cases, total number of cases per day, will not increase above 4,12,000. What is the maximum they have touched is already touched, because Ketu is out of the Jyestha Nakshatra. So friends, whatever has been predicted is coming absolutely spot on. But there, as I predicted earlier also, that this Veda between Mars and Saturn is just like war-like conditions, emergency-like situations. The emergency situations took place after the 24th April, and I predicted, and on between 24th April and 16th of May, and emergency situations were created and lockdowns were implemented throughout the different states of India. And now slowly things are going to ease out. Coronavirus is going to be hanging fire till 11th of June, because I'm taking the worst case, because Rahu is going to be in adverse motion. So considering that Rahu is in adverse motion, I take that after 11th of June we will get more ease, and especially after the 21st June, when Saturn is the lord of the Ashtamansha chart, because Aquarius sign is rising, and the Lagna lord of the D8 chart is placed in the 8th house of chronicity, and in transit also Saturn is transiting over there. And when Saturn becomes retrograde, it will come in the 7th house on the 21st of June, and till January it will not go in the sign in the 8th house. So we will get a relief from the chronicity, because Saturn is the main planet which governs the diseases. The disease giving planet is Ketu, and diseases are governed by Saturn. So Saturn will be in retrogression so till October, so we get a ease from the diseases, and the number of cases per day will keep on reducing. They may be stagnant. The number of cases may become stagnant first, and slowly things would ease. And as I had predicted, that this time is just like war-like conditions. There could be cyclones, there could be earthquakes, and untoward happenings. The relation between the countries can go for a toss. We've already seen in the Middle East what all is happening, and then there is an earthquake in Indonesia. I had predicted about Indonesia also, and then the cyclone which is expected in the west coast. So, and I've seen the chart of Gujarat, and Gujarat has Saturn stationary in the Lagna 25 degrees, and Mars is aspecting Saturn in the Lagna, the natal Saturn and the transit Saturn, and 16 is most venomous, because there is Veda on the 16th between, and after 16th things would improve, because the Veda of Mars and Saturn in the Nakshatra Sangata Chakra will break, and in the Rashi Sangata Chakra it will break on the 2nd of June. So primarily after 2nd of June we will get a lot of relief, although then Mars and Saturn will be in 1/7 axis. It can hang over, the things can hang over, but slowly and slowly things would improve. First let Rahu go in normal motion, then there will be improvement after the 11th of June, and then after 20th July also there will be improvement, because then there will be no Saturn and Mars will not be opposing each other. So friends, slowly and slowly things are improving as predicted, and the stock markets because Rahu is in adverse motion, so it can take the markets in any direction. So it can touch new highs and it can touch lows also. So because it is unpredictable, Rahu is unpredictable, so let us see what it does. There may be extremes, meaning unexpected things. The market can cross unexpected levels and market can also have correction. But my feeling is that the 26th to 30th is something parallel to the flash crash of 1962. Let us see what happens. But my feeling is that there may not be, as I've already mentioned, there may not be a crash, but there can only be a correction. And Rahu is unpredictable, so to predict about the financial market is extremely difficult, because what route Rahu takes is very difficult, because when it is in adverse motion, it can take the things in any direction. It has the capacity to turn the tables upside down. So that is why I'm little hesitant to say on coronavirus whether the number of cases. I'm taking a safe route, and I'm saying that after 11th of June, although after 2nd of June there will be improvement, but taking a safe route, I will say 11th of June, after 11th of June things would improve. And the number of cases in Delhi also, they have reduced to 8,000. They were 28,000. So slowly and slowly, as the planetary positions are indicating, things are improving. So with this, thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day. Best of luck. Thank you.